Prior planning prevents pitiful performance. When you're out there in the woods, you want to be prepared. Like the Boy Scouts say, be prepared. You want to bring with you, in no particular order, this is going to go down the list. Shelter. Make sure you have a place to stay. Water. You're not going to live without it. Fire. I mean, it might be campfire TV, you might be watching it all night long, you might not be able to change your channel, but it's entertainment, it is warmth, it is comforting. Always be prepared to make a fire. Food. It's like water, you're gonna need it. Clothing. Dress for success. I'm gonna dress more clothes in colder weather, I'm gonna dress some less clothes in summer weather. Communication. Cell phones, whistles, signal mirrors. Whatever works for you. Yelling at a buddy if he's close enough. Knocking on something really loud. Just something to get people's attention. I mean, just plan, prepare, have fun out there, but be wise about it. The more things that go wrong, the less fun you're gonna have. People will remember the bad things more than they will the good things. They'll get out there and be like, oh, the mosquitoes are terrible. I don't have my insect repellent. All you're gonna remember from the trip on is the mosquitoes. So prior planning prevents pitiful performance.